If you're looking for some feel-good content today, that man right there, Nicola, I'm gonna butcher this. I'm sorry. I think it's Dutto. So Duto. If I'm wrong, somebody correct me if you know. Just finished the Baja 1000, which in itself is an absolutely massive undertaking. 1,300 miles on a dirt bike through this. And if you look, it's not the guy who's filming it. It's actually the guy in front, which if you notice, he's in a full cage because he's paralyzed. So he had two of his friends ride as ghost riders or whatever you want to call them, people following along. And this wasn't a something done on a whim or something for fun. This was during the actual Baja 1000. This is during the race, so you had cars, other bikes, quads in the dark, you know, all the terrain. And to finish this, it took him, it was 39 hours and 56 minutes to complete 1,310 miles. That's insane. This is the 56th, ooh, say that hard, running of the Baja 1000. And for somebody to do it in general, I mean, there's people who don't finish this race and they're fully healthy. You know, you have medical problems, you have crashes, you have mechanical problems, and this is a guy who can't even get on or off his bike without help. And if he falls over, has to have somebody help him pick it up. And he finished the race. That's insane to me. Absolutely incredible. Um, Personally, I think the Baja 1000 is something I would love to go to and never actually do. But to see somebody do this, like I think he's been paralyzed for like 16 or no, 13 years now. 2010, 13 years. To come out, put the effort into this, get ready for it, have a bike, have people helping him and to finish is absolutely incredible. So hats off to you, Nicola, and congrats. That's incredible.